Hi, this is the Back in 2000s key to sound effects. You know how in cartoons, the cartoons smash into something really hard like this? Well, to make those sound effects, usually they use props, real-life props, and put it up to a microphone. You know how some cartoons hit into something really hard and then they get off and shake their head and it makes a weird sound? This is how they do it. They use a can and put stuff in it with duct tape on top. Like that. So that is how they do it. Oh, and this is a cool one that sort of works. Here. This makes a raining sound. If you record it with the microphone, and it will sound just like an awesome, cool raining sound. Pretty cool, huh? And also, if you can put different sound effects together, you can make a hit and this together and it'll make a perfect whack. And that is the Back in 2000s key to sound effects. Thanks for watching. See you next time.